This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, a group of major automotive companies, including BMW, General Motors, Honda, Hyundai, Kia, Mercedes-Benz, and Stellantis, have formed an alliance to create a large-scale electric vehicle charging network in North America. The partnership aims to build at least 30,000 high-speed EV chargers by the year 2030, with the first station set to open in the summer of 2024 in the United States. The companies plan to utilize the National Electric Vehicle Infrastructure funding in the US, along with other private and public funding from state and federal sources, to fund the development of this charging network. The charging stations will be strategically located along highways in the US and Canada, and as well as urban environments. Similar to existing EV charging networks such as Tesla Superchargers and Electrify America, these new stations will be placed at locations where people can shop, eat, and access amenities. Additionally, they'll be installed along popular travel routes and in metropolitan areas, making EV charging more convenient for users. One of the primary goals of this partnership is to simplify the charging process for electric vehicle owners. The station will be compatible with EV model produced by the member automakers, enabling users to charge their vehicles without needing different charging station apps for each manufacturer. The companies also plan to integrate the plug and charge standard being developed by the Federal Highway Administration, further streamlining the charging experience. The joint venture aims to enhance the overall EV ownership experience, believing that a better charging infrastructure will lead to faster EV adoption. Currently, many charging stations require their own dedicated apps, which can lead to reliability issues and convenience for other users. By creating a unified network across multiple automakers, they hope to address these challenges. Moreover, the company intends to power the new charging networks entirely with renewable energy. However, it is unclear whether they'll directly use renewable energy sources to power the stations or acquire renewable energy credits from other providers. While the initial focus will be on the US, Canadian customers will have to wait for a later stage before they can access the new charging stations. All stations will be equipped with the standardized Tesla North American Charging Standard or NACS ports, ensuring compatibility with Tesla vehicles along with the widely used Combined Charging System or CCS plugs, making them suitable for various electric vehicle models. This partnership among prominent automakers aims to create an extensive, user-friendly, and renewable-powered EV charging network across North America. By offering a seamless charging experience and expanding the charging infrastructure, they hope to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles in the region. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.